Alright. Okay, y'all. This is like one of our first videos we're going to be doing. Do we need to see ourselves? It's probably fun when we don't see ourselves.
You don't know what your expression
We don't know what we're doing. Oh, look at this.
Please, guys, tell me if I look okay.
We don't want to play this song yet. Alright. Also, we got to turn the heater off. Turn the heater off.
Turn the heater off. Turn the heater off, please. It's making noises.
We don't know what we're doing. We got two screens. And for some reason, you know what? That's how you do it.
Play the music, baby. Play the music.
Screen flow. View. Wait a minute, y'all. We got to get this thing together. But we have been trying our best to do some videos. What, YouTube channel videos? We don't know what we're doing.
Yes, we know. We're videoing ourselves.
Why we can't see this window? God dang it, man. Where's the video?
You turned it off, I guess.
No, it's recording.
You mean the monitor?
Yeah, why we can't see ourselves?
I thought you said you didn't want to see yourself.
I want to make sure that the thing...
It's working.
Look at this. This makes me pissed. Alright, start recording, pause, add, marker.
Show recording monitor.
There we go. Well, we don't want y'all to see us. Well, we don't want y'all to see that we seen each other. But anyway, I just wanted to make sure. You want to move the... Well,
what?
Forget it. We got the tripod in the background because we had these... We got all these cameras. We trying to start a YouTube channel. We don't know nothing about video, man. I hate video. I hate the way I sound video. But anyway, I make beats. I'm gonna start selling beats again. Basically, I actually retired from the music industry, and I'm getting back into music because I see a lot of people online showing their beats, whatever. Half of the people, man, I'm just gonna be honest, half of them don't know what they're doing, and I'm like, if they are showing what they doing and selling beats and stuff, then I need to come out of retirement and teach people. I'm gonna start a class on how to make beats, how to sell beats, how to promote yourself, how to market yourself. I'm not bragging again, but I was making over $100,000 a year in the business of music, and that's without any internet, YouTube, Facebook, all that type of stuff. So now it's a lot easier. It's a whole lot easier. But with further ado, I made this little beat. You know, like I said, I'm coming out of retirement, and I want to see what y'all think about it. I'm just gonna play the beat. I want y'all to leave some comments and everything. I'm gonna start getting everything up. I built the recording studio myself, wired it all up myself, decorated it and everything myself. My wife started helping with some of the things when she finally came. She's from the Philippines.
It's not a big bit. It's a small bit. It's a big bit because I like it. And I know guys, you're gonna like it.
So y'all gonna like it.
Yes.
So hope y'all like this beat. Check it out. At the end of the video, I'm gonna be giving y'all 2 big tips for any producer out there. So here it is. we had to actually take our headphones off so we could feel what it is you all are feeling. So what do you think? You think that's a good beat to start
I
off
like
with?
that.
She
I like
said she's
that.
like that. Two very important things that you have to do as a producer. I'm gonna move this mic just a little bit so we can hope that people get the point. Tip number one, you must invest in sounds, unique sounds. You have to get the best sounds, thick sounds. You also have to EQ your sounds. Tip number two, this is a compressor right here. We got it on our voice. Check 1 2. Check 1 2 1 2. This right here, this is like the best compressor. Turn it down a little bit. The best compressor that I have ever worked with. And guess what, y'all? It's a free plugin. It's a free plugin. Hit me in the comments below. As y'all can clearly see, I am not a talker. I just let my music talk. So I'm going to be learning how to project myself and everything. I'm going to show y'all one more free plugin. This right here, let me pull it up first of all. Is this equal? Nah, I've been looking for this one. I've been looking for this. Anyway, not that one. Let's turn that one off. Okay, let's edit that. Bloop, 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 bloop. This right here. These two plugins are free, 100% free, and they're plugins that I paid for that does not perform as good as these two plugins. I don't know what these people was thinking about by just giving this plugin away. This is a sick EQ. The highs are so high and clean. I mean, this gives you the sound that you want. And this compressor right here, man, is so incredible. So, peace out. My first video I'm going up on YouTube with. So I guess I got to edit it or whatever. I'm learning how to do these videos and bring them to you. So, peace out. Anything to say?
Check it out. Please subscribe if you watch the videos, and I would love to hear from you guys. I like it.
Yeah.
That's my body over here.
Click on that subscribe button, like everybody else say.
And let us know what you think about the
Leave a comment. Leave a comment about your favorite plugins and what you would like to learn in this music business. Peace out.
Yeah.
How you turn this thing off?
You are funny.